Guys, we're back, but
I did not survive. My name's not up
she
there.
didn't survive.
So you come up that ladder, which
I accidentally paused the video and ended it. So this
yes,
is part
and you
two.
can see I have an iPad. And so
Just show
I'm
us
gonna
your
come up
base.
here. Yeah. So hang on. Okay, well that glitched a little bit. When you come up over here, you have like this little section, and you have this little section. I actually just created this one, and I have a mailbox, although I can't open it, even if I click on it.
Okay.
Okay, anyways, and I come up here. Here's my like dining area where I eat food. And in here, it's my best part. I have like a computer where I can sit and do stuff.
And a kitchen.
And
Nice.
a kitchen, yeah.
What else?
I have a window there and a cool glass thing and a couch that's huge and a TV.
That's a nice TV.
Thank you. I used to have a huge, really old TV, but anyways. And then you come over here. It's obviously only me. And then it's like a little walkway and friends only. I don't know why I did that, but here's my bedroom. Here's my pink flower pot because my favorite color is pink. Here's my TV. I can watch it in bed, and I just have a thingy over here.
That's
I couldn't
a very
add
nice
any
house.
wall because there was the border. But then also over here is a little like flower section and area.
That's very nice.
Also, you can just do this.
I'm gonna go see Rowan's. That's a funny shortcut. I'm gonna go see Grammy's right now. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is Grammy's screen right now. She's got a sword. That's crazy. I didn't. Oh my God, she's killing the. Oh, she killed him. She killed him. She's a dang. She's a menace. Oh, she's at very low health right now, but she somehow killed him. Bro, what are you gonna do? You can't survive. Oh, that's where I am. Yo, you can go in there. I'm in there right
Okay.
now. Yo, can we get a tour of your house?
Sure. Okay. I haven't furniturized it a bit yet, but I'm going to make this like my living room. Then I'm going to make it.
Nice. That's very.
Then I'm
cool.
going to like I'll show you the rest at part 3.
Okay, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back, and she has done a little more progress with her house.
So this is the couch, and this is gonna be where I work, and then friends only is the door. I'm gonna spawn in my living room because if I spawn outside, you know I'm gonna die.
Yeah, for real.
I'm probably gonna add a TV next,
Oh, a TV?
but first I gotta make a table. So
We can watch you do that, actually. A table.
let me just make it so, and then I can make this. Let me remove this couch. I'm gonna bring the couch over here. Flip it.
Oh.
Bring it
Oh,
over
you can
there.
extend the couch. That's pretty cool.
And
I
then
didn't know you could do that.
we're going to be
Oh, that's a nice TV. I want to buy a TV.
putting the TV there. I might actually back that up because. Oh yeah.
Yeah, what is on top of your roof?
I put a glass there so I can see what's on top of the
Oh, are
room.
those the killers?
Yep.
That's fun.
And then I'm probably gonna move this TV back to make it so there's places to put food and stuff where you can eat.
Oh yeah, I would love food, as you can tell.
We're going to make a mega TV.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Oh, I hope I did not put those backwards. I put those backwards. Great. Okay. I did not.
Bro, who is outside your door? Knock knock, Rowan, come in. Let me in.
Anyways.
That's what they be like. Yeah, I got. Yeah, I got.
So then I got my mega TV. I got
That's
my mega
that's
TV.
a massive TV.
Yeah.
Almost as massive as that low taper fade.
And then in the kitchen, there's going to be, once I make the kitchen, there's going to be, that's where we eat.
Oh, okay.
So, tomorrow we'll come back with some more results of how progress I made.
Yeah. So it's pretty late right now, so we gotta pause the video. And tomorrow we're gonna come. You guys are gonna come back, and we are going to see so much more better results. That's it for today. Bye, guys. Subscribe for winning the to win the giveaway and to get a shout out. And share this video with your friends so we can get more subscribers. Goodbye.